Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, let's take a look at Chiliz and see where we can land with a price target for the 2024-2025 bull run. But before we dive on into this, this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. And while I appreciate that so many of you are hopping in here from all over the place, you've got to hit that subscribe button. I make price target videos every day at 6 a.m. Eastern time on the dot. Hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification button as well so that you don't miss a thing. But otherwise, let's go ahead and dive on into this. So Chiliz saw an explosive move at a key point in 2021 during peak euphoria. I mean, my goodness, what a move up. And then, it took some time to come back down. It wasn't all terrible after that. So it's always good to see that. But I have described Chiliz as a euphoria play that you really don't need to be touching this cryptocurrency until we're about to enter euphoria, which as of April 2024, we're not quite there yet. Some things that I'm seeing with Chiliz that are good signs. You can see circulating supply is 99.99% in circulation, so you don't need to worry about inflation moving forward. Now, rear-looking inflation, there's a little bit of a different story. You can see that there's definitely some inflation that we need to take into consideration when we're looking at a price target. And so how many multiples from that 2021 peak are we talking about? If even there's a 2x in play, that does matter. And so it is good. Again, looking forward, we don't need to worry too much about inflation, but you can see what their tokenomics look like here. So they have just major vesting releases historically, and we didn't see much throughout 2021, 2022, but then in 2023 we saw some big increases in their supply. They went from a little over 5 billion to their current supply of 8.88 billion, and now they're maxed out. And so what did that entail? It most likely entailed some major early investors getting some of the supply. That is important. It really does matter for what that's going to look like with them taking profits moving forward. So looking at this historically, market cap dominance, this actually looks pretty decent. It looks like an ecosystem that's on people's radars, that's growing. It is currently, as of the day that I'm making this video, over $1 billion market cap. We didn't go down in terms of market cap dominance to the previous bear market levels. It's at a new high. That is very encouraging. Now, this big spike that we saw in market cap dominance, I would not expect for Chiliz to get back there. That was an extraordinary event that caused that to happen. But then these two peaks right here in 2022, late 2022, I mean, we're talking bear market bottom levels. Those two peaks, I would expect Chiliz to get back down there, and that is 0.15%. That is the target that I'm looking at, 0.15%. Again, nothing explosive like what we saw in 2021, but a gradual move, or maybe a quick move back to these two peaks in market cap dominance that occurred in late 2022, early 2023. So 0.15% is where I'm landing. That is a $10.5 billion market cap. You can see its all-time high in market cap is a little, it's a $3.5 billion. So a $10.5 billion market cap increase. That's almost a 3x. But that's actually exactly a 3x. But in terms of price, because of how much more supply is in circulation right now, we're not seeing a 2x in price in terms of my price target at least. But 0.15% market cap dominance, that is assuming a $7 trillion total crypto market cap. That gives us a $10.5 billion market cap. You divide that by 8.88 billion in circulating supply. That gives us a Chiliz price of $1.18. So a little bit less than a 2x in its price from its previous peak, but about a 10x in market cap, about a 10x, a little bit more than a 10x in its price from where it currently is. So again, euphoria, that is the play for Chiliz. As we are entering euphoria, I wouldn't be surprised if Chiliz saw a huge spike up in its price like exactly what it did in 2021. We will see. That's where I land, $1.18, but I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Where do you think we are going with Chiliz? This is too low, this too high. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful rest of your week. I will most certainly be seeing you in another video. Peace.